In this video, you'll see a quick QR code setup and then a change of the IO-Link data output structure that allows you to read only the code on each scan back to the PLC. Go to the Applications tab, select the plus button, and select One Code Setup. This is a quick overview of the wizard steps. Click Start. Change the trigger to Process Interface. Click Next. The camera will now autofocus and then attempt to find a code in the image. This may take a minute. Okay, we will see that the QR code was found. I don't see the code read here, so let's bring this region of interest down a little bit further, make that a little smaller. And we're going to do a code search one more time with a smaller region of interest. Okay, and this time we can now see that it is highlighted, it's found, and we see the string translation of the 2D code. Let's hit next. Here we're going to change the output configuration to Ethernet. Select next. Here we're going to select next as well. And here we are at the test section. Now we already know that the code is here. We see the content that would be provided back into the PLC. What we want to do is go to the bottom section here and select the user-defined mode. This is going to drop the wizard support, which was nice for setting up the application, but now we want to change the IO-Link data structure that's coming back to the PLC that we're using. In the left column, select Logic. Under Model Results, drag and drop the block. Select Insert Logic Block. For ease of use, we're going to come to the top here and search Pass and bring in the state definition. Next, we're going to type in string output. We'll drag and drop this block in as well. Next to the code content of the first block, we're going to left click on the box and we're going to drag that down to string output. For our code found, we're going to drag and drop that to the pass. Next, in the left column, select interfaces. Here we're going to open up IO-Link. We're going to select models and right click and delete. We're going to do the same thing with reading results. Right click and delete. Select the plus button, select logic layer, and select string/binary output 0. You'll see down here there's a hex view. If we take that same view and make it output string, you'll see that this is the matching string. Click on Save. Click on Back. The O2I4 is now set up to be controlled via a PLC through an IO-Link master. In order to test the application trigger, you cannot be in application. Make sure that you are in the monitor mode when testing the IO-Link trigger functionality via the PLC. You'll see here that when we trigger the camera via the IO-Link data, that we get a correct read of the code. We can see the content down here. We can also see the content available here in the IO-Link input array for the port back in the PLC.